Welcome to BK Literature Channel. Short story The Bee and the Bird. Once upon a time, there was a bee and a bird who lived in the same garden. The bee spent its days buzzing around, collecting nectar to make honey. The bird would sing and play in the trees, enjoying the beauty of the world around it. One day, a harsh winter arrived, and the garden was covered in snow. The bee struggled to find food, and its honey stores were running low. It became weak and cold. The bird, seeing the bee's condition, felt sympathy and decided to help. The bird searched for seeds and dropped them near the bee. The bee was grateful for the bird's kindness. The bird also searched the honey for the bee and they shared it. They stayed warm and nourished throughout the winter. As spring arrived, the bee returned to its busy routine. The bird continued to enjoy its carefree life. But their friendship remained strong. They often helped each other when times were tough. They were different, yet they had willingness to help each other in times of need. It shows the true essence of friendship and compassion. Moral of the story: helping each other is a true mark of friendship. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, and subscribe.